Hello everyone, this is Akhilesh Bhagwat from Allin1hub.com, and right now I'm going to give a short demo about the website. Okay, what is Allin1hub.com and how it can help you in your career journey. Okay, so let's get started. So on Google, you just need to Google All-in-One Hub. Okay, it's one, it's not ONE. Okay, it's one. Let's Google it and click on the first link. Now, in order to start your career journey, you have two options. Either you search the topic here, or either you click on this button and then follow the steps. Okay. So, for example, let's say you want to learn data science. You can just add data science here, and it will show you blog posts and pages, okay, which have data science. So you can follow that path as well, or else the simplest step is just click on this button. Now, the first part of BCTI, blocks, courses, test, and interview question. First one is blocks. So let's select a topic. For example, let's select data science. Okay, let's move to next step. Now you need to select a topic which you want to do courses on. So for example, here let's select data science only. Okay, or else let's select website development, different topic. Now, knowledge test. So here you need to select a topic in which you want to give practice test on. So let me select data science only. Next step. Now step 4 is very simple. Here we have created very interview questions on tech topics like website development, Python, Java, data science, and many other topics. Okay, so you don't need to select anything here. Just click on scroll below. So as you can see, according to your choices, you get the result. Okay, so for example, here we selected data science in block section. So we can see here data science blocks. So for example, if you don't have any knowledge about data science, then you will find the blogs which can help you get overall knowledge about data science. For example, what is data science? What are the job roles here? What are the career roadmaps, salary insights, etc. You can click on load more here and then get more blog as well. For example, complete guide to data science, how to succeed in data science in simplest terms, and other blogs. Say you want a career roadmap. So by just clicking on the link, it will lead you to a website. Okay, so for example, here this is the website, and then here you can observe the career roadmap. Okay, let's scroll below courses. So after what blog we selected courses, right? And in courses we selected website development. So that is the reason website development courses are shown here. So you can select any one of this course and start doing it. Okay, let's say this JavaScript foundation. You can either copy this link or either you just click here and course link. So just like blogs, it will lead you to a site, okay, the official site of the course, okay. So for example, here it's gymnasium, right? So here you can see JavaScript foundations. You can complete this course, and after completing this course, you get certificate. Okay, right? Coding for designers and different courses. Right? It's very simple, and you have to just enroll and start doing. For test, you can be selected data science, right? So that is the reason that we are having data science interview questions here. So now you can click on any one of them and start giving the test. Okay. So right now this is a test dome website. We have tests from different websites. Similarly, courses, blogs. Here test you can see data science test. So after completing this test, you get certificate as well. Okay, so test dome gives certificate that you have a particular knowledge to apply. Now, if you scroll below, you will find the interview questions. Okay, so for example, here you can see a basic technology questions that every one of us have. Okay, so for example, what is cloud computing? Which cloud computing service is used by Netflix, etc. And if you just scroll more below, you will find the interview question. For example, what is machine learning, data, what is database, financial planning, etc. Okay, so we have on machine learning and automobiles as well. So for example, if you want more interview questions, then just click on the button and it will lead you here. Okay, here you can find many interview questions. We have 500 plus videos on interview questions. You can find all of them here. For example, different which are different network topologies, what is BBO, what is kernel, right? What is SMPS, run command, primary memory, secondary memory. And if you want interview questions in bulk, okay, so 5 interview questions at a time or company-wise interview questions. For example, here it's TCS interview question, right? What is macros? You can have that as well. Okay, so we have 500 plus videos on interview questions. You can find that. Now, if you just scroll down, you will find more such interview questions as well as technology concept questions. What is cryptocurrency? Then what is difference between artificial intelligence and deep learning? We can find that. And you can also find different blogs here, right? We have added blogs on different interview questions. You can just click on it and it will very simple. So this is the basic overview of our site. Okay. So for example, if you wanna start again, then you can do that as well. Just click on reset and then select different topic. For example, digital marketing. Here too you can select same or different. Right now I will select same digital marketing. Okay. Scroll below and you will find blogs on digital marketing. If you don't have any knowledge about digital marketing, you don't need to worry as you will find everything here. Okay, what is digital marketing, career roadmap, what is our scopes, what are different skills required, salary insights, right? Salary insight, which depends on your city and many different things. On courses, you can find courses from Google, official Google, you can get certified from Google and other courses as well. Okay, to scroll below, you will find digital marketing test, mock test. You can just start applying and start answering the question. Very simple. If you scroll below, you will find the interview questions as explained before. So these are the two ways. Okay, so far you can go for another way as well. Okay, let's say for example, you just follow this path, or you just searching for particular course. So you can find that as well. Okay, courses. So here you can find that. We have different topics here. You can select anyone to get started. We have different topics as you can see. So let's select um, blockchain or IoT. Let's select IoT. So we have courses, blogs, and interview questions, as well as test on IoT. So here you can find courses. Okay, you can select any one of them. You want with certificate, then select yes. You want one with certificate, then select no. Right? After that, you find blogs on IoT only. Right? IoT basic questions, IoT MCQ, IoT quiz. Right? These are tests. And then you can find blogs as well. Career roadmap for IoT, scope of IoT, and different aspects. We also have course reviews, okay, machine learning online course and different course. You can also read blogs if you are on our site just to read blogs, then you can find that as well. Okay, so for example, let's say it's like you are here for computer, you can choose data science. You can see career blogs on data science are fine there. Okay, machine learning that you can reset it again and you can select blockchain. You will find blockchain blocks. Just click on it and then go to site. Right? We have gathered best quality blogs from all over the internet, blogs as well as courses. And then we have shorts as well. If you are here to prepare for interviews, then we have interview questions videos. Okay. So here you can find 500 plus videos. All are free to watch. You don't need to pay anything. Okay. Very simple. Then we also give reviews, course reviews, app reviews, etc. Or video reviews, you can find it on our YouTube channel. Right. So here we have course reviews, we have shorts where we explain technology concepts. Yep. We also have podcast about it later. And if you are here just to take test, then you can do that. Yeah, select your topic, have the test, and reset it again and start as many times as you want. We also have podcast, okay, job talks with HR. The these shorts will help you crack technical round interviews, okay, and the HR interview you can crack with our podcast. So here we interview HRs and then get advice from them how to get hired. Okay, so this is our team. This is me, Kalesh Wagner. You can just join us on the podcast as well. Just click on this and the latest episode gets started. Okay, as simple as that. Then we also have community. You can find the interview questions in text format. So here it was in video format, right? Here it's in text format. So for example, which are top high paying job in 2022. So here we have given it in a text. As salary of cybersecurity engineer, then top 5 node interview questions with answers. You can find that. So That's it. You can contact us here if you have any doubt or if you want to collaborate with us. Then we are open to any collaboration. You can just contact us here by adding the details. So I believe you got an overview of allin1hub.com. It's very simple. Let me just explain to you once again. Just have to search allin1hub.com. One, it's one. Okay, it's not OA. After visiting the site, you have two paths. Either you search or either you follow the simplest path. Let's follow simplest path. Click on start now. And then you have to click on any topic that you want to get more information about. Selected data science. And then step two, you have to select topic you want courses on. Normally people select same topic as blogs. Okay. And then you have to select the test topic. Okay. You test on. So BCT gets completed. I also gets completed as scroll down below. So after selecting, you get the blogs according to your topic you have chosen. Okay, you can load more and find more blogs, and courses too you can find here. Scroll down below, it's test. You can give the test, and if you scroll below, you will find the interview question. As simple as that, we have created the whole career journey, and you can find everything you need for your career journey at one place. So you don't have to search on Google or anywhere, as we gather the most quality resources from the internet for you. So that's all for this video. I believe you got a small overview of our site. Thank you for watching. Do visit allin1hub.com and start your career journey today.